Hello, fourth grade. Happy Tuesday. I'm going to go over your directions today for May 19th, 2020. In the important information, I have the directions, a morning message, and the Google site for all the specials, which you will have tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Okay, for word work, we're going to work a little bit today with some vocabulary. So if you go to the Google Classroom, go to classwork, May 19th, you're going to see our virtual classroom right here. I need to change that to 19. Okay. And uh, what I have at the top here is I have the directions, the morning message, and our read aloud. And then I have down here the same order that I write it on our directions page. This box would be for word work, this box would be for reading, and this box would be for writing. So in reading, it says Google Slide for vocabulary practice. I actually assigned this to you under May 19th because it is Google Slides that you each need a copy of and that you need to turn in. I think there is a way for me to link it here, but I haven't gotten that good yet. So I'm not sure how to link something that you each need to turn in, so you're just going to have to bear with me here. Okay, so for vocabulary, it is a review. So what I've done is I have the first slide says vocabulary review. The second slide has the directions. Please read all of these directions before moving on. If you need to pause me and read the directions to yourself again, please do that. So first you're going to look over the words. Then you're going to pick two of the words and complete the chart for these two words on the next slides. Be sure to turn it in when you complete. So I'm going to walk you through this. On the next slide, I have posted 5 of our vocabulary words from the year. I want you just to pick 2 of them, any 2 that you would like, and you're going to complete a chart on the next slide. You're going to put the word in here, use it in a sentence, an antonym, and you're going to insert a picture. Okay, you're going to do that 2 times, okay, for each of your words. Do not forget to turn it in when you are done so I can give you credit. Okay, so that's for word work today. Okay, we're reviewing some vocabulary. Today for reading, we're going to look at the plot and story structure within a text. So I posted a read aloud today called Anansi and the Moss-Covered Rock. You're then going to watch an instructional video made by Mr. Rodriguez on plot structure. It's super helpful, it gives great info, and it's a really great review for the material that we worked on in class. And once you're done that, you're going to head over to Seesaw. So if you look at our virtual classroom, I have the video linked here from Mr. Rodriguez, and I have the Seesaw activity linked here. So the Seesaw activity is actually one that you may have seen that we've done this year, but it's perfect because it applies to this situation. So when you log in, you're going to see an activity. Okay. And you're going to go, remember mine looks a little bit different. Okay, so it's called a plot diagram. All right. And what you're going to do, and it gives you the example here. You have seen this many times in our class, the exposition, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, and the resolution. And what you're going to do is you're going to complete your own, okay? So I'm going to go to add response as a sample student. You're going to complete these for the story that we just read, The Girl Who Loves Spiders. So tell me the exposition, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, and the resolution. You can always click on this button right here, View Instructions, and you can click on this picture to review what each of these parts mean. And if I'm saying these terms and you're like, oh, I remember doing this, but I don't exactly remember what they are, that's why Mr. Rodriguez's video is great, because he reviews all the things that we've done all year. Okay, remember, hit that green check when you are done so you can turn it in. And the last thing we have today is writing, and I have quill lessons. So we have been working a lot with sentence fragments and different parts of sentences. Today I assigned you 2 lessons. Now your quill looks a little bit different than mine because I have the teacher view. If you're in my morning ELA, click on the link here. If you're in my afternoon ELA, click on the link here. You're going to be working on 2 lessons. So I just want to make sure that you know that it is 2 lessons to complete. Okay. Um, that's what we have for today. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I know there was some problems today with one of the Pear Decks, and I apologize for that. Some days we just have glitches. So I hope that the virtual classroom is helping organize things. I know it's not perfect, but we're all just trying our best. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, guys.